Hi guys, we are back for another video, and we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. I do not remember the last time I played this game to be true, and I'm just in the car playing this game, so let's see what we could do. Yes, we did a little bit of practice, but the last time I did practice was like 4 months ago. No lie. Alright, let's just do the tutorial real quick. So this video might be a boring one, but if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you guys if you haven't already. And yeah, so I can't really go for likes yet since it's too early to, but wow, I messed up. My bad. Sorry. Keep going. So basically, if you don't know what this game is, you have to go through a bunch of these obstacle courses. Since I don't know what happened, but you got in trouble, and then a dog and a cop tries to chase you. While that, you can run and you go past some different power-ups, like the one I just went past through, and this one. And you'll find some letters across the way. If you find all of them, you will get if you find the whole word, you will get it's called more coins. With coins, you can buy different characters and a bunch of different stuff. And I would really appreciate you guys if you download it, because not only the game is great, it's free. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys heard about this game. So yeah, if you guys want me to play more of this game, leave a like and leave a comment. So yeah, so you see that little chest that popped up and that spray paint, so all of those are like challenges that I completed, which I could get stuff by doing challenges. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So let's just go all along here and double points. I never saw that for the double points, but check this out. I like it. Basic. Not really. Pretty good idea. Still got some moves. I got the moves. Oh. Them skills. Sorry, that was my fault. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's do this time. We got some coins. Alright, 500. Let's go. Should we double it up and watch an ad? I think we should. This game is also great, not an advertisement. Yes. We're about to go to the mall. Mall to Target, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, so. Okay, let's just. So, I'm really not trying to do this. Sorry guys, I wasted 30 seconds in the vid to stab animators. Yeah, I got that from Jake Paul. If you guys don't know who that is, Jake Paul, go down. He's a pretty cool YouTuber I watch him a lot. So yeah, 562, not bad. So, popping that up.
I'm running here real quick.
Alright.
Here, just sit up here. You stop the door right here. Don't crash nothing.
Alright. In the front? Sorry guys if I die. Hold up, BRB. So yeah, go ahead. Alright, so let's start this thing again. Alright. Alright, sorry guys about that. Hey, let's do this video. I don't want out the car, so I'm with somebody in the car. So let's do this and he's sleeping, so I don't want to wake him up. Okay. So if you guys want me to do a Q&A, I might not do a Q&A. probably soon. I could probably do a vlog video, but not do it. If you got any questions, leave it down and below in the comment section. So yeah, I'm getting used to this YouTube stuff. So yeah. I'm pretty sure if you guys didn't know, if you guys didn't watch that video that I post a couple days ago, yeah, sure dang, like some days. Watch those. I went hiking on a trip, and it was really fun. There was some crazy moments, some whack moments, some death moments. My dad almost slipped off the edge. That's all I'm gonna say. I know everywhere I go, it's not how about that? Dang, look at our coins. If you guys don't know where our coins is, it's like at the top right corner, under all those numbers, under it, you'll see some coins. That's the coins we're getting in one match. And look, we're about to get like another free 200 after this, I'm pretty sure. Alright, magnet, if you guys don't know what the magnet does, it will give you all the coins that you're in. So I could come over here and it'll give me all the coins from over there. But if you see on the left bottom corner, there's a timer that just ran out. And when it runs out, we're done. I got another magnet. Just in case, man. Just hang out. And also with keys, you could save yourself. I don't find. I'm not gonna save them that time. But sometimes it does, and it just goes away. But basically, 2,653. If you guys want me to show you how expensive people are gonna hear. Hold up, what? I learned to quit. Alright, go to me. I'm pretty sure it looks cheap. $3. But so that's 15,000. That's 8. So you guys should see the prices. The easiest one to get next, I'm pretty sure it's her. Or if I'm wrong, and no, she's the next easiest. Lucy. So yeah. Oh, look. So basically, there's different outfits you could get. But with some outfits, you need to collect these. So this is the original, and this one's free. So I might get that one because I look really emo with that black suit. So let's look at as cool as you could. I'm really hoping I'm recording, so let me check this out. Am I recording? I really don't know if I'm recording. It would be kind of dumb if I wasn't, but I'm pretty sure it showed me the countdown and everything. The only sad thing is that I don't know how long the video is. So, I might play a couple more matches. Let's say 2 more, this run and 1 more round. I'm gonna end this thing up. Because, you guys know with me, I'm recording on my phone for now. You guys saw what I picked up, it was a key. But I'm recording on my phone for now because I'm not too sure if this channel is going to go too far. If you guys keep it up, I will keep this channel up. I'm trying to get a really good start on YouTube, get the most, and yeah. So, just leaving that out. So, if you guys want this channel to keep going and never end, I would want you guys to please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, so I can keep up my content. And if you want me, guys, there's 2 choices, right, guys? I'm giving you this. You want me to record daily? But you know when you record daily, the content is good, I'm telling you, but it's not gonna be that good. But if I like record probably once every 3 days, content will be really, really fun. So it's your choice. So what should I do? Leave that down in the comments. And I want to hear what you guys think I should do. But I'm just saying, I can't wait for Palm Springs. If you guys don't know, I'm going to go there. I'm going to vlog everything over there. And I'm really excited to do that. So, yeah. Let's get to this time. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to kill myself on purpose so I can look. Alright, I deposit. Sorry, I'm trying to get in the back of the car again. Alright. I'm just getting through. Again. You got what you needed there? Alright, so we keep doing this. One more, then we're done. That's his skills. I'll do this. Look at them jokes. So if you guys probably ready. Can I make it? Oh, see me? There should be something up there. Glitch. No, I'm not trying to dodge yet. We just started. You know what? I'm just gonna guys, one more than we're ending this one. So we're gonna keep doing this. Back once we had. Oh dang, I do. Since I was on a dream and oh yes, mystery box. That's a perfect way to end off the video. No, it's really. Not even the cast. Not even the so hold up. Before we open this, I would want you to leave a like, because if you do, that means more luck. So that means 1 like or 50% more chance for all you guys got to leave like. So let's open this thing up. Someone didn't leave a like. Who didn't? Okay, alright. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Alright. Bye.